The Union Cabinet on 22nd July approved the establishment of an integrated multi-purpose infrastructure development corporation and a central university in Ladakh. The decision to set up Central University at a cost of Rs 750 crore and the corporation with a fund of Rs 25 crore for Ladakh were taken at a meeting of Union Cabinet chaired by Prime Minister. Currently, there is no similar organization in Ladakh and the approval has an inherent potential for employment generation as the corporation will be promoting industry, tourism, transport and marketing of local products and handicrafts. When the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act was enacted in 2019, there was a Jammu Central University and a Kashmir Central University, but there was no Central University in the Union Territory of Ladakh. The Central Varsity hence will reduce the imbalance in Ladakh's education sector and will enable students of this region to get quality higher education opportunities. Union Minister Anurag Thakur says that the Central University will improve the quality of education and work as a model for other education institutions in the region.
केंद्र शासित प्रदेश लद्दाख में 750 करोड़ रुपए की लागत से सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी की स्थापना की जाएगी। और इसकी स्थापना से जहां एक और उच्च शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में क्षेत्रीय असंतुलन को दूर करने का प्रयास होगा, क्षेत्र में बौद्धिक विकास को सहायता मिलेगी और इसके साथ साथ लद्दाख में सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी की स्थापना से उच्च शिक्षा का प्रसार होगा, छात्रों को उच्च शिक्षा के अधिक अवसर मिलेंगे। ये सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी वहाँ पर अन्य शिक्षण संस्थानों के लिए भी एक मॉडल का कार्य करेगी, वहाँ उच्च शिक्षा की क्वालिटी में सुधार होगा, इससे लद्दाख क्षेत्र के सर्वांगीण विकास में भी सहायता मिलेगी।
The Union Cabinet said that this approved integrated multi-purpose infra development corporation will help in realizing the goal of Atmanirbhar Bharat. How? Let's understand. The corporation will work as the main construction agency for infra development in Ladakh. The establishment of the corporation will result in the inclusive and integrated development of the Union Territory of Ladakh, which in turn will ensure socio-economic development of the entire region and population of the Union Territory. Here is what the Minister of Information and Broadcasting Anurag Thakur said on this.
एक इंटीग्रेटेड मल्टीपर्पस कॉरपोरेशन की स्थापना करने का निर्णय लिया गया है। इंटीग्रेटेड मल्टीपर्पस कॉरपोरेशन की स्थापना करने का निर्णय लिया गया है। ये कॉरपोरेशन लद्दाख में उद्योग, पर्यटन, परिवहन सुविधाओं के विकास और स्थानीय उत्पादों और हस्तशिल्प की मार्केटिंग जैसे महत्वपूर्ण कार्य करेगा।
The cabinet also approved the creation of one post of managing director for the corporation in the pay scale of 1,44,200 rupees to 2,18,200 rupees level. The authorized share capital of the corporation will be Rs 25 crore and recurring expenditure will be around Rs 2.42 crore per year. The corporation will further push domestic production of goods and services and will facilitate their smooth supply. The integrated multi-corporation will develop local industries which will boost employment and tourism in the area, hence realizing the goal of Atmanirbhar Bharat. With the setup of a central university and an integrated multi-corporation, the impact of development in Ladakh will be multi-dimensional and fast-paced. These steps will further help in the development of human resources and their better utilization in the Union Territory of Ladakh. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more such updates on developing stories from all across India.